So this box has arrived and it's killing me not to open it. They put this really cute little cowboy guy. And this is the Betty Foy. Clearly that's the top. It is a huge box. And then I got my second box, which I can show you now. So I've already unboxed everything. And I decided to just test out this basket. It has one of the Sackville. This is the large sack with the large basket. And it holds quite a lot of stuff. I put my laptop bag in there. I put Cambo bag in here. There's still plenty of room. I think Brady agrees. Don't you? So, I will be back soon to unbox the Betty.